everybody, it's Eleni and welcome back to another episode. And today is a really sad day, guys. My cat, her kidney shut down today and she got put away. She got put down. Yeah. So I'm really not having the best day. It's not my fat cat who did. Thankfully, thank the Lord, it was my old cat Taz. And Raga has been nice and he gave me this designer skirt. Just really sad today, guys. But, guess I'll just what? He has a fireplace. Not fair. I got a fireplace, that and a Mer plushie animal for one of my short spikes once, but then they over-traded, so I traded it back. Hey. I'm trying not to cry on camera, guys. Hey. I'm getting over my sickness, if you can hear my voice. It's a little better now, yay! But so, yeah. I'm not making this video just to be selfish and tell you guys to send me gifts or anything. I'm not saying that. I just made this video because videos make me feel better. Because I love all the comments you guys give me. Which, when I say you guys, it's probably all my friends on Animal Jam and maybe 2 people off of the real world. But, so, yeah. I love hearing, the comments, what you guys send me, the good comments, and I like making videos. It just makes me feel better. It's a tree! You made a tree! You! Let it grow! Let it grow! He is magical. He made a tree grow. But a lot of people don't. I sent a few to my friends, Jada. She read my text, and well, when I called her up, she was crying. So don't want to do that again. That was bad. She felt really bad for me, and she knows how much I love Taz and all. I can't. There. But don't take it seriously I'm telling you to. I'm making this video for you. To tell you to send me gifts. I don't want you to do that. It's okay if you send me a gift, it'd make me feel good, that you are watching and stuff. But I don't really care if you don't send me a gift. I'm totally fine with that. I'm just happy that you viewed on the video. So, play wild, play Animal Jam. Hope you liked this video. So please send a comment to make me feel better or something, because I am really sad today, guys. Bye, viewers.